Mogon Energy portfolio consists of 22 assets in Turkey with a total capacity of 1,058 MW. At our hybrid power plant, wind turbines and solar panels are monitored with separate SCADA system. Both wind turbine and solar panel production, performance and faults are tracked in real time through these platforms.
Wind turbine blades require high-risk access procedures, while solar panels demand the regular inspection of hundreds or even thousands of units. Each asset type requires different expertise, equipment, and scheduling. DJI Dock 3's autonomous flight capabilities, combined with our in-house WTIP software, provided the ideal framework we were seeking. With Dock 3, drones can be remotely managed and inspections conducted using standardized procedures. WTIP then rapidly and reliably analyzes this footage, delivering real-time insights to operators. Together, this combination proved to be the most suitable solution to address our most critical field challenges. Inspection timelines that traditionally ranged from 4 to 12 weeks in the industry have now been reduced to just 3 days, enabling far faster decision-making. At the same time, reliance on human input has decreased significantly, minimizing errors and ensuring objective, consistent, and standardized results across all sites. Systems like Dock 3 and WTIP are important milestones that bring us closer to this goal. On the solar side, hotspot detection enabled measurable annual increases in energy output.
The installation process was managed collaboratively by DJI's technical team and GÜRİŞ technology engineers. Once Dock 3 was deployed in the field, WTIP's cloud-based analytics infrastructure was activated. DJI experts, GÜRİŞ technology engineers, field operation teams, and our IT units worked in a close coordination. Even during the first test, witnessing images captured by Dock 3 being processed almost instantly by WTIP was striking. Critical blade damage became visible to field crews in real time, while hotspots in solar panels were accurately detected. The technology not only reduced their workload, but also improved their safety.
At one of our sites, a critical blade defect was detected early and repaired before the turbine was forced into an unplanned shutdown, preventing significant production loss.
They no longer need to perform high-risk manual inspections and can instead dedicate more of their time to strategic tasks. 3 autonomous flight capability combined with WTIP's automated reporting minimizes the need for manual intervention.